Ahead, another triumphant return and running with the Bulls light later in the show. Welcome to 3 Times Square this Monday from Reuters World Headquarters in New York. Steve Jobs did it. So did Starbucks' Howard Schultz. Now Richard Schultz wants to make his return to the company he's most associated with, Best Buy. Jobs and Schultz came back as executives, Richard Schultz hoping to buy control of the electronics chain. He's offering $24 to $26 a share to value the firm in the $8 billion range. Schultz already owns 20% of the company. Shares closed below $18 on Friday and are up significantly today. A white knight has come in to save Knight Capital. Our daily digit today, $400 million. A group of investors reaching a deal with the trading firm to buy a stake for that price. Sources say the buyers include Blackstone Group, TD Ameritrade, and Chicago-based GetGo, who was given some of Knight's market-making responsibilities by the New York Stock Exchange today on a temporary basis. The investors getting 70% of the company, and the shares closed at $4.05 on Friday. Americans buying less meat at the grocery store, or at least less meat from Tyson Foods. The S&P 500 company posting a weaker profit than expected and cutting its full-year outlook. Shares trading near their 52-week low of $14.62 from last month. A different story at fellow S&P 500 firm Cognizant Tech, the outsourcer raising its guidance for the year on increased demand. He's the fastest man on earth, making Olympic sprinter Usain Bolt our power player of the day. Bolt bolted past fellow Jamaican Johan Blake to grab Olympic gold in yesterday's 100-meter men's final in a swift 9.63 seconds, second only to his world championship best of 9.58 seconds in 2009. This after losing to Blake in June's Jamaican Olympic trials. Securing his fleet-footed status, Bolt has earned over $20 million over the last 12 months, according to Forbes, with a slew of endorsement deals from Visa to Gatorade to Puma, which pays him a tidy $9 million annually. Yesterday's 100-meter was the game's hottest event, with reports of nearly 1 million ticket requests. A victory for NASA from the Red Planet.
Premium stable.
UHF is good. Touchdown confirmed. We're safe on Mars.
The science rover Curiosity making a Mars landing inside a crater, ready to search for signs of life. It's already beaming back images after sailing through space for more than 8 months on its 352 million-mile journey. It broke through the Martian atmosphere at 13,000 miles an hour, 17 times the speed of sound, before surviving a perilous 7-minute descent to the surface. The rover, part of a $2.5 billion project designed to analyze rocks, soil, and the Martian atmosphere. It's the running of the bulls, South American style. Hundreds of Colombians took to the streets in the municipality of Ibate for a festival commemorating the region's cattle raising, joined by 22 bulls who ran 800 meters through the city streets, though a bit more tamely than their Spanish counterparts, perhaps. In its 12-year history, the Colombian event boasting just a handful of minor injuries and a few torn pant legs to boot. That's the latest from 3 Times Square this Monday. You can follow us on Twitter at Reuters Insider and check out our Reuters YouTube channel at Reuters.com/ReutersTV. I'm Lisa Bernhard, and this is Reuters.